Let us now review the functionality of the Authentication Supermod that has been created. So we will open the demo instance. Yeah. Here the basic information regarding this sample code is given. You may want to review it in your own time. Let us proceed to sign in. I'll put in an email of my own. Okay, and I submit. Okay, so the account for this particular email doesn't exist yet, so let's go ahead and create that account, right? Okay, I'll tick these boxes and I'll submit. So the account has been created and a verification email with a one-time password has been sent to this particular email address. So I'll go to this email address and check. Yeah. So this email has been received from the ABC Auth Supermod. I'll come back to the OTP screen and yeah. So now, as you can see, the navigation bar has changed and the profile icon has started showing. So this essentially means that I have logged in successfully. Okay, so let us sign out again and let us try signing in with the administrator account. So I'll again go to sign in. I'll punch in administrator account details. Here we don't need to sign up because the administrator account has already been created. And a verification email has been sent. So let us go. Yeah, it is here. Great. So I'll come back. I'll punch in the OTP. Great, I have logged in successfully. Yeah, so the point to note here is if I click on the profile button, an additional admin menu shows up for the administration of this particular module. This section is only seen when the administrators sign. So let's go ahead. So we land on the admin section of the authentication module. It is mainly used, to look up user information, to see when they have signed in last, to view their logs, to edit their information such as name, to suspend them or to reinstate them. So we will first look up the new user that we had created, right? Yeah, so the user information is fetched, where the name is shown, the email is shown, whether the user is an administrator is shown, and whether the user is active or not is shown. After clicking the edit button, one can edit this information as well. If we go to the view logs button, we will see the logs of this user. When the user tried to sign in initially, it gave the 404 error because the account was not present, right? Then the account was created with the sign up function, then the OTP was verified, and then the refresh token was generated and the user was logged in. Let us look at the information of the administrator. Yeah, here the administrator information is shown, which is the name, the email. Here you can see that the admin flag is ticked, right? Let's go to the logs. Yeah, here we can see that the sign-in functionality was successful in the first attempt. So it gave a 200 code. Then the OTP was verified, and then the refresh token, was generated. So this essentially completes the tour of the authentication module.